In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reposition mind map trees in draw.io for Confluence and Jira. This is a super useful trick if you're working with Jira issues or Confluence pages and your mind maps feel cluttered, misaligned, or just hard to reorganize once they're created. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to add a draw.io mind map, reposition the trees, and edit, create, or delete nodes easily. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Jira, Confluence, and software tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Jira. Make sure you're logged into the Jira instance where you want to add or edit your draw.io diagram. Once Jira loads, navigate to your project. In this example, I'm opening a Scrum project, but the same steps apply to any Jira project type. Next, click on your team or project space, such as My Team, to view the board and related issues. From here, locate the specific task or issue where you want to add or edit a mind map. Click on the task to open the issue details. Once the task is open, look for the Actions option. Click on Actions to reveal additional options for this issue. Now, click on the three dots menu to open more actions. From this menu, select Add Draw.io Diagram. This will open the Draw.io integration directly inside Jira. When the Draw.io dialog opens, you'll see a search bar or template selector. Type Mind Map into the search field to find the mind map templates. Select the mind map template that best fits your needs. After selecting the template, click on Create. This will open the Draw.io editor with the mind map loaded. Now, this is the key part of the video. Inside the Draw.io editor, you can select individual branches or entire trees of the mind map. Click on a node to select it, then drag it to reposition the tree exactly where you want it. You can move branches left, right, up, or down to make the layout clearer and easier to understand. You can also edit text by double-clicking on any node, create new nodes, or delete existing ones as needed. This makes it really flexible for brainstorming, planning, or documenting workflows directly inside Jira or Confluence. Take your time to adjust the layout until everything looks clean and organized. Once you're happy with the changes, click on Save inside the Draw.io editor. This saves the diagram back to the Jira issue. After that, click Save again to confirm and attach the updated diagram to the task. And that's it. You've successfully repositioned mind map trees in Draw.io for Confluence and Jira. This is a simple but powerful way to keep your diagrams readable and well-structured as your projects grow. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy, step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.